Hey guys, so today I have got the September Witch Casket box to show you. I am still a little bit behind, but I don't have October's yet, so I'm not that behind. But I've not opened this one yet, so we're going to open it together. If you haven't seen me do this before, it's £29 now to the UK, and they do post it worldwide, but it is all different prices for different countries, so you would just have to check for your country on their website. So like I said, haven't opened this yet. We are opening it together for once. All I know is that it's September's box. So the first thing right on the top, as always, is the little booklet. So this month is Bewitching Botanicals. Now I'm not a very floral kind of person, but I do like this colour scheme this month. It's like a lavendery purple colour and gold. So that is that. This is just a little booklet that tells you about the items in the box, but we're not going to read out of that. We're just going to look through the box, but in case you need any extra details, it is usually in here. So that is that. Then we have our print for the month. This one is so cute. This is a little sun and a flower, and as you can see, the gold on it is actually shiny and the rest of it is a matte colour. I apologise for my voice, by the way. I have a cold and it's getting worse through the day. It's making me sound all snotty, so I know that's pretty gross. I'm sorry about that. But this is very cute though. So that is our little shiny print for the month. Then the first item right on the top is in this little canvas bag. It's got like little purple details on it and it says candles. So in here there is 2 candles and it says Bewitching Purple and Gold Ritual Candles. Now these are both gold, so I'm going to assume that the centre is purple, but we will read this and have a see. So it says, properties. Gold is for success, inner strength, growth and wealth, and purple is for psychic abilities, intuition, wisdom and spiritual growth. It says, bring successful energy to your spells for intuition, wisdom and spiritual growth with these magical purple candles which have been encased in gold. So yeah, they are purple inside. I can't see it. I don't know what kind of purple it is, but that is really cool. When they burn down, it will like drip purple. So they are very cute. So that's the first thing. Then next we have this little bag. It's all kind of folded up. Doesn't say anything on it. It's just like a little burlap kind of sack sort of thing. It's got this floral print inside. It does have a little thing on here so you can hang it up if you want to. You could keep pretty much anything in that. You could use it as a foraging bag, keep a plant in it maybe, like a plant pot, plant something in there, keep your washing line pegs in it. I don't know, it's just a cute little bag. So that is that. Then we have our tea for the month. This one is Protection Tea Blend. There is 2 as always, and it says a cleansing and protective blend of nettle and rosemary. Brew with intent and drink mindfully. So nettle and rosemary tea apparently. Then we have our pin. So that is what that looks like this month. It's like a little oval with some, I don't know, ivy looking thing and a pentacle at the bottom. Little enamel pin. Then we have this little pouch, and in here there is a keyring, Plant Magic keyring. So it's just like a little wooden, it reminds me of the keyring from The Shining, the Overlook Hotel one, but it does say Plant Magic on it, not room, whatever the room number is. It says, keep your keys together with this beautiful keyring, a constant reminder of the power of plants. So if you're really into plants, that's pretty cute. Then we have our crystal for the month, and this one is a citrine. I feel like I said that weird, citrine. It's like a pale yellow kind of colour. Also a little bit orange in person. It's not really coming through on the camera, but like a yellowy, peachy colour, I would say. and it says, citrine is a stone of abundance, manifestation, personal growth and success. Carry this with you or use it in spells for good fortune, relationships and happiness. So that is that. Next we have this cute little box which says magic on it. It's like a little magnetic opening box, and in here it's the items to do an intuition charm bottle. So we've got some little, what looks like amethyst chips in here, a little purple candle, little glass bottle with a cork, and some herbs which are yarrow. Also, this isn't amethyst, apparently this is fluorite chips. So I'm not going to read the spell out, but that is the items for it. And that is what you need to do if anybody wants to pause and quickly read that. That is a little spell. So that's our charm bottle. Then we have this little triangle wooden shelf, I guess it's supposed to be. I'm not really sure what you could put on there. Maybe like it's a little crystal shelf or something. I guess if you put a hook on the wall it could hang, or you could just put it like on a bookshelf. Whatever, I don't know. I think it's just a little shelf though, like a little altar decoration. So there is that. It's very cute. And then we have two things left apart from the scroll. So we have some incense sticks. I feel like we've not had these for a while, maybe, or I'm just not remembering, I'm not sure, but it says that these are botanical love incense and they are rose and patchouli. Surround yourself with loving vibrations of rose and patchouli. So that is our incense sticks. Not my favourite scent. I don't really like incense sticks anyway, but that is those. And then the final item we have is a pentacle sun catcher. Now, in the last box, I think it was, we got the wind charm. Now we're getting a sun catcher. I feel like it's maybe the wrong season for a sun catcher. It's kind of like coming to winter time now, but still a very cute and unique idea though. I think a lot of people love the wind charm, so they probably kind of went off that and did a sun catcher. This is what it looks like. Just like a little glass, purple and white painted pentacle with a little black chain. So pretty cute. I kind of like it. Sort of wish it wasn't purple. I think I would have preferred maybe black or something, but it does go with the theme. So that is our sun catcher. And then finally we have our scroll. So I will open this and hold it up in case anyone wants to read it. So this says Bewitching Botanicals. Very tiny. I don't really know if anyone is going to be able to pause and read that, but I know some people do like this, write them down and stuff. So yeah, that was everything in the September Witch Casket box. I will quickly grab it all and show you it all together at once, even though there was kind of big items in this one, so I'm not sure I'll be able to hold it all at once, but we will try. Okay, so we had a very cute little print. I actually don't want to like bend this or damage this at all, so I'm going to put this down, but that was our little print. Then we had the Pentacle Sun Catcher, the 2 protection tea bags, the little keyring, the citrine crystal, the enamel pin, the little burlap bag or plant pot maybe, the purple and gold candles, the incense sticks, the little wooden shelf, the intuition charm bottle kit, and the scroll. So all of these things along with the print that I've put down is what was in September's Witch Casket box. This one wasn't really for me. Like I said, I'm just not into like plants and nature and like herbs and things like that, so not really my kind of theme. The colours were really cute though, and I did like the candles and the sun catcher, so there's some cute things in here, just not really my personal favourite. But you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. I'll put all the information for which casket in the description in case you want to go and check them out. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.